Hello and welcome to Free Excel tutorial videos. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply an outline to your Excel worksheet. Okay, in Excel here, I have a budget plan, a template which I imported. Okay, so if you want to import a template, just simply go to the Microsoft um, Office button here, select a new document, and you can come over here down here to these templates. And the one that I chose here is a budget template. Okay, it's a marketing budget template. Okay, so what I have here is a marketing budget plan, but I want to apply an outline. Okay, so what I want is to differentiate the big picture of the budget plan and the detail of the budget plan. So what I have here is the details of each category: the research, the communications, the network. Let me make this slightly bigger. Okay, you have the estimated quantity, estimated cost, estimated subtotals, the total cost for each category. And what I want is to have a bigger picture. Okay, so to have an outline, so just come over to to just start by selecting any cells in the within the worksheet, and come over to the data tab. And here in the outline group, we have group, ungroup, and subtotal. So in this case, we're going to choose uh, the menu for the group. Okay, and you can see that we have the auto outline. So just choose this. Okay, and now you have um, different levels for the column and also for the row. So we have 2 levels for the column and 5 levels for the row. Okay, and over here, let's go to the first level column. Okay, here we can see only the estimated subtotal for each category. Okay, and level 2 will reveal uh, much in detail everything, which includes the cost per unit and also the subtotal. So if I want to have a bigger picture, I would probably choose level 1. Okay, which only shows the subtotal. Okay, let's come over to the rows. We have 5 different rows here. Let's see. Row number 1 will give us a very short um, conclusion of the grand total, which is this amount. Okay, and in level 2, let's see, we have the totals for each category. Level 3, we have uh, more details. Level 4, we have like this, only this. Let's see, level 5 is the same. So in fact, there's only 3 levels over here. Level 4 and 5 is sort of not useful at all. So for me to have a bigger picture of the Excel worksheet, I would probably choose level 2 because it allows me to see the estimated subtotal for each category here: research, communications, networking, event, and promotions. Okay. Um, so this is what I would probably use. Okay. Now let's ungroup and remove the outline. Okay. And what I want to do now is to see which cells contain a formula. Okay, so to do so, we can come to the View tab. Um, no, we can just press F5 and go to Special and select Formula, and we will be able to see all the cells that have been shaded here are cells that has a formula. Okay, so now I know that this cells has a formula. It makes it clear to me that I have functions in these cells. So I know what I'm going to do with my outlining. Okay, so let's see. So now let's do the outline. Okay, so let's go to the any cell in the worksheet, go to the data tab and go to the auto outline, and we're going to select this. And remember, what we want is to have the overall picture of the data that we have. Okay, so I'm going to choose level 1 here and also level 2 here. So I have the estimated subtotal for each category. Okay, so the problem is, every time I open up this worksheet, I will have to choose the outlines again if I want to have this view. Okay, so to go around this, we can use a custom view. Okay, so let's come to the view tab, select custom view, and let's add a custom view. Okay, so let's do this. Let's name this view outline. Okay, and click OK. Right. So now let's go to the data tab and remove the outline. Okay, so now we have the original data which we have since the beginning, and now we want to load up our overall big picture of the data. So let's go to the view tab, go to the custom view, and select this view over here which we created, and show. Okay, so that we had there you have it, the overall picture of the worksheet that you have in Excel, and we have done this by using an outline for the Excel worksheet. Okay, so that is how you can create an outline for your Excel worksheet. That's all for this tutorial. I will see you in the next video.